Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create a Jenkins Freestyle job. So first let's start our Jenkins server. For that I will open my command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the Jenkins.war file that I have already done. And then I'll just simply execute the command java minus jar Jenkins.war. Right? Then wait for my server to start. Once my server is up and running, I'll go to my browser and enter the Jenkins IP address. For me it is localhost 8080. Then complete the login process. Now let's create a job. For that, click on new item, give a name. I will go with hello J for hello Jenkins. We would be looking at the other types of project later on in the series. For now, let's just stick to freestyle project, right? So click on freestyle, click on OK. In this page, we would be defining the task that we want to do with this job, right? So the technical term for that is build. Okay, so in this page, we would be defining what we want to build, how we want to build it, when we want to build it, and what are the steps in that, So how rather when we want to build, right? That is defined by build triggers, right? Okay. Next is what we want to build, that is defined by build, add build step. We can build a Windows batch command, execute a shell command. There are various different things, and these can also be increased by adding in new plugins. We'll look into that in the future, right? And then we can define the steps that we want to do in the build, right? So I'll go with Windows batch command as I'm using a Windows system. If you are using a Linux or a Mac system, go with execute shell, right? So right now I will just say echo hello Jenkins. Okay. So we can do a lot more things over here, right? Like we said, what we want to build, that we discussed, and then we can also put in few post build actions, like what we want to do after this build has been made, right? If it is what we would like to do if the build is successful, or what we would like to do if the build is unsuccessful. So something like that could be, we can send in an email notification, a lot more things, right? We'll look into this in the future also. Okay, for now let's stick to this and then click on apply and save. Now let's execute this build. Click on build now. Okay, here, so the build is finished. You can see the build history over here. Let's click on this again and then go to console outputs to see what has been printed. So this, you can see this command got executed, echo hello world, and this is the output that we got. Okay, so that was the first job. In the next video we'll look into few details behind this and a little bit of theory about it, right? Thank you.